We come here, plant your seeds with our dirty hands, and then we help them grow while you get to put your feet up.
What made you want to catch bad guys for a living?
Piss off my dad, I guess.
As good a reason as any.
All the dark sides also of immigration, whether it's legal or illegal. We're talking about also sex traffic, children traffic. Like these are things that are happening every day, whether we talk about it or not, they're happening. And I think that by us not talking enough about it, we forget about the human aspect of this complex conversation. And I think it's important to just understand that these are people.
So how long have you two been together?
Just a few months.
I want you to know I really like your mom.
Give me that one.
So you dear, where are you from?
I'm from here.
Like here? Like born here?
What is this, an interrogation?
If, for example, if you're somebody of a Eurocentric descent coming into another nation, it is highly likely that you will sort of be received and land safely into a new country and be given all the sort of tools that you may need to start over or to continue. If you come from countries in Latin America, that outcome may not be similar. And that is something that I think we have to talk about, how the bias sort of around immigration is real. I'm a woman of color, and my children also are children of color, and they're sons of an immigrant as well. So you always think about those should have, could have, would have, what if. And I think living in that sort of hypothetical, unimaginable sort of like place is what compelled Marco and myself to want to add something to this conversation.
What do you do for them?
I stopped. I don't do it anymore.
What did you do for them?
They work for Tencha, all right? They bring things across the borders. Sometimes people...
They're with the cartel? Huh?
I don't know.
Are there drugs and guns in that house? Are there drugs and guns in that house?
I don't know! I tell them not to, but they're my fucking brothers. They don't...
What about Gabriel?
Oh, he was born here. He was born here.
What I hope people will take away from it is relatability, is to watch it, and you know, either those who aren't aware or who have never been through this situation can learn, and it can be an education piece of sorts, eye-opening of sorts, or it can help you understand a little deeper about these sort of dilemmas that can be quite traumatic that go on every day.
Te lo juro que voy a hacer todo lo posible para que encuentres a tu mamá.
If I was you, I would keep my distance, bro.
Where is she?
I grew up very naive to a lot of these, a lot of the going-ons of what happens out in the world. It's almost a blessing for me that film has given me an opportunity to have educational experiences every film I jump onto, and that's what this offers for myself, to sit there with Zoe and Marco and listen to their families' obstacles and journeys they've been through is eye-opening for me.
We come here, plant your seeds with our dirty hands, and then we help them grow while you get to put your feet up. Your crops, your children, your future. We
Marco, Zoe, those smiles right here together on the right side here. And one more time, guys, those smiles on the right.
I feel like that was the last thing that was missing in our lives. It's like, might as well just work and art together, because we already do art from the moment we wake up until the moment we go to sleep. So it was a good experience. I know that for other people, it's not. Some people prefer not to work together. But I don't know, we have a way to sort of switch off and on and embrace the good and the bad, the ebbs and the flows of family working together. It's not easy, but it's not impossible.
You dig because you're empty.
Come out with your hands up!
I'm empty now.
Yeah, Christina on your right. Christina, and shoulder.
Give me a smile, darling. Straight in.
Christina, big
and one right beside her. There we go, right there. Hold on 1 second. One more time.
Christina right here.
And Paris on the left side. Paris, Hilton.
Paris, can we see you right?
Working on
Paris, can we see the front of the outfit?
And good smile.
And one more time.
Beautiful smile.
Kelsey, the left side right here.
Beautiful smile. Over that shoulder one time.
Darling, right
On the
here.
way, Kelsey. All the way back.
Kelsey, look back.
There you go, right there. Over that shoulder.
And Kelsey, all the way back. Starting on the end.
Miss Bill.
And Jessica right here, please. Jessica, right.
And
Show us that smile.
Jessica, eyes back here.
Right. Jessica,
Little
stay there.
smile. Another train. Oh, Liza, we need that. We need that. Over here, look.
And Liza.
Liza, face us.
Gorgeous.
Alessandra, over your shoulder, Daddy.
Alexander, can we just get you here?
Incorrect.
I like it right down the middle.
This way, darling. And just stay
right in front of you. There you go.
Right, one more time, Kristen right here. And Kristen,
Ashley, right in front.
And that gorgeous smile. What's happening? Hold on right there.
right here.
Sorry, and just straight in front, please. Ashley, darling.
Ashley, right here in front. Ashley, over your shoulder.
Jonathan.
Over that shoulder, Zoe. Over that shoulder, looking back. So,
And Zoe to the left.
Heidi.
Pinky.
and
Heidi.
the Dita straight ahead here, just the front of the outfit.
And would you face us, Dita?
Right here, Kelly. Kelly, just on the left.
Darling.
Hey, Kelly, let's see his eyes.
Gorgeous.
And all the way at the end down here.
Can you start here, please? Can you start here, please?
And then back down here.
Stop right there. Angelina, right there for you.
We all really like each other, which is rare, right? It's been a pleasure because it's a great group of people who brought a lot of heart into a piece that has been around a long time for a reason, and I think it brings out what I think it'll bring out for the audience is what it's brought out in a lot of us, and we've had to think about a lot of things and become a family and the value of all of that, and so I feel very deeply within it, but I feel it's a rare moment where it's a piece that the audience is a part of. So I share that when you see it and we experience it together, we share the story, and it's very special.
She embroidered all this. All this. Yeah, she's amazing. Oh yeah, she's given me notes. We've worked together before, and we have a sort of a longer running history of working together. She made my outfit tonight, which is amazing.
Angelina Jolie.
I love
I help make some of the looks, yeah, but I don't really consider myself designer or stylist. I'm just a person that helps make people do something they'd like to do, right? I'm like a support to...
She made me do something. Can I show it? I'm going to show them. Angie made me do this. Never done it before in my life.
You gotta get your tape off. Wait,
I
gotta de-tape you.
That is real.
That is Mark Mahoney, who's an amazing tattoo artist and original New Yorker, and he helped us do the designs for what we would put on the clothes, and he came out last night. He's coming to the premiere tonight, and he tagged a few of us.
Yeah.
I love it. We got initiated.
One more down this way.
This way, please.
That relationship has been incredible for me to have another female director who believes so deeply in me and in, you know, when I'm trying to do something ambitious or I'm trying to really reach for something, she's been in my corner all the time. And then Vivian is like one of the most creative minds I know. She's so observant. I've asked her to give notes every night when she watches the show, and her notes are amazing. They're like, the things she catches and the way she's watching is beautiful. So it's been a gift. It would be so, she'd be bright red right now if she knew we were talking about her. She's very humble of it.
She really is.
Yeah, it was. Well, it's also to credit to Danya. You know, I think Viv is a very thoughtful person, and she's the age that Essie was when she wrote the book. So I think maybe it was something that Danya was curious about, and then they ended up really connecting. And it was very nice that Danya also would ask her so many questions and respect the teenager and listen to, you know, and make that. So it was very kind of her. It was also, I think, an interesting thing to do as a director to talk to a young person.
Yeah.
It's certainly surreal. I mean, it's definitely something I'm just trying to leave it all in, take my time, you know, and also like lean on the cast. I personally am very tired. Previews is a new experience for me. This is my Broadway debut, and so I'm just like consciously leaning on this amazing cast of people, of creatives from the top down.
Oh my God, it's the best time of my life. I've been working on the show for 6 years. We finally made it commercially, so it's a great time to celebrate. Yeah.
And looking here, can you turn this way, please? Excuse me, right here.
I've been doing pretty good until yesterday. It was just the last preview, you know, some stuff started happening, but I feel good. We got a lot of help, you know, so we working things out.
Right here. And then right here.
For our teenage self.